Sorry, what were you saying?
Trails. We just went past one of the trails. There are lots of trails throughout this forest. And as you can see them, as we drive by the various trails that normally people venture in for hiking. You see the different types of flora and fauna and the birds and the wildlife, you know, waterfalls. So proceeding uphill now to the top. As we get higher, you'd feel the difference in the temperature. It's going to get cooler.
Cooler. Yeah, I already
Temperature's gonna
start feeling cold.
Yeah, dropping. Down in the bottom we were like 31 degrees, and as we start going up now it's now 23. Even my dashboard is showing 23 degrees.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, and that's gonna drop even lower as we get higher.
So we're going to top of that hill over there?
Yeah, keep going up. Yeah.
It's a landslide.
It's coming down again. Wow.
I missed that to catch in my video. Is it Chinese? Can you read?
Japanese, yeah.
Japanese? Can you read?
Some of it, not all.
Wow.
She's radio.
I can't read. Only I can see.
What makes this car?
Japanese.
No, which what was the
A
one?
Toyota.
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 Yeah, this is the top of the ridge here now. Although we're gonna continue.
Oh, what is
on.
this?
That's a sculpture.
Can I take?
Yeah,
can I
that's
take?
why I stopped here so you can quickly go and.
We have to get out.
Yeah, if you want, if you like, it's a sculpture there and take a picture there. And as a
What kind
recreational,
of sculpture?
it's just to identify Tobago, Northeast Tobago was given the recognition for man and the biosphere because of the environmentally sensitive area and the protection of the rainforest.
And we can allow to
yeah,
go
you can
there.
go inside and you can sign the book if you want there and there.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
yeah, take a picture of the sculpture and yeah. This was supported by United Nations. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Yes, it's open. Yeah, simple. Gotta pull it hard. Just now, one moment.
Oh yeah, yeah, I can do. Oh,
They're
this
friendly
dog.
dogs. No,
friendly.
they're friendly dogs. Yeah. They don't do anything. Yeah. Very friendly.